Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin ba Himanta Bishwa Sharma ula shimti kum Myntri Rangbah kajala Assam Nagalyang Lamphang Ïingdorbar Thaw kajala Meghalaya uba medba lengdo ula lek bania Kynduh ya u ha kanong ba Guwahati habai kran bat gilat bathai khobor Nagalyang uba medba ula yathu ba hadin ba Himanta Bishwa Sharma ula shimti kum Myntri Rangbah jong kajala Assam Nagalyang kejong u ula ai khublai ya u bat ha kejingya kren jong u langba ka telefon Myntri Rangbah ka Assam wala khot ngop ha yu banwan di sha nongba Guwahati ba dei hnen kasni ba Nagalyang jong Lamphang Ïingdorbar Thaw ka jala Meghalaya ula yo yakapor bat ula lej bani Kynduh ya u bat ha kani kejingya Kynduh Nagalyang jong u ula ya kren ya Myntri Rangbah ka jala Assam Halor kejingya penbej ya uput Assam Bat Nagalyang jong Myntri Rangbah jong kajala Assam upan pau ya kejinglong kabalakloi ke jong u ban ya penbej no ya uput Assam bat uda ongru ba otrang ban ya penbej no ban lait na kino kejing ya kejia ha kipor ki bandangwan.
After he has taken over as the Chief Minister of Assam, he is a new person who has taken the chair. So I give a call to congratulate him. And give him good wishes for the new assignment as the Chief Minister of Assam. And in that process of conversation with me, he requested me, he said, why don't you come over for a breakfast to Guwahati? So as I had time yesterday in the morning, so I rushed down and went to greet him after he has been elected as a Chief Minister and join him for the breakfast. We did discuss about few things, and we did discuss about this long pending issue, problem which is going on for the last 40-50 years now, which is everybody they're looking forward to see which government can solve this problem once and for all. So I did express from my side my serious concern about the issues which has come up from time to time, which is reported in the media about those people who are at the, living in the boundaries. So he is very, very concerned. He expressed his real concern about this issue, and he assured that we're going to take up this one at a very, very fast pace to see that at least people from both the states are happy at the end of the day to sort out all these pending issues. Any decisions which is to be taken, those stakeholders have to be taken into confidence. Be it whatever decisions the government wants to take, all the stakeholders has to be taken into confidence to ensure that we clear this long pending issues. That is my concern and my advice also as far as this boundary issue is concerned. See, many attempts have been made in the past by previous chief ministers. I don't know what and why they cannot come or bring a solution to this. So I think that's why I said that everybody should be taken on board to see that, into confidence. Everybody should be taken into confidence as far as this issue is. And not play politics anymore. I think this is the real issue of the state. And for me also, I am very, very serious as far as this matter. We have to put all sincere efforts to see the light of the day as far as boundary issue is concerned.